Are we still rolling? My name is Angel Johnson. I'm from Pasadena, California. I'm a wardrobe stylist and fashion designer of 18 years. I cut and sew, and I'm a mother of 2. I start my day off with my family, my 2 kids. I have a 2-year-old daughter and an 8-year-old son. Our mornings usually start off in chaos. I have to get them ready for school, put on my mommy hat, and then I drop them off at school. I try to do self-care every day, and I go to the gym or I do hot yoga. And then I come home and I put on my business entrepreneur hat, and I get into anything that could be from fulfillment for orders for my clothing line, or researching or getting ready for an ad campaign or movie or any type of creative shoot. How did I get started? I remember, I'm gonna take you all the way back, being teased in elementary for only having like 3 outfits. So I told myself that, once I got a little bit of money, I was gonna get some cool new Nikes. I was gonna boss up my wardrobe. So fast forward to high school, I spent every dollar I had on whatever I thought was cool. It still wasn't a lot, so I had to get really creative with my outfits and how I put them together and what I even chose, and still breaking them up because I didn't grow up with a lot of money. So everyone started complimenting me on how I would put together simple things and said, "Oh, you should be a stylist." And my best friend in high school, her aunt was Pharrell Williams' stylist. So I kind of just fell into it, and I started assisting her right out of high school. Yeah, I've always loved drawing my whole life. So I think I realized I had a gift early on. Like kid age. I knew I was smart, but I knew I was good at art as well. And I feel like I came alive when it was my time to be creative. My greatest inspiration in life is definitely my grandmother who raised me. She always, had her fits together. She was always put together. She was always so hardworking. And she never told us no. Like, if it really came down to it and I wanted, a ridiculous $500 pair of shoes, even though she, didn't have a lot of money, I know now as an adult, she always made a way for us, and I really am still inspired by that. I hope that it will give other people the courage to tell their story unapologetically. My story is, looking up to the girls in the 90s with the bamboo earrings and, the beautiful hairstyles and the nails and the jewelry. And that's the story, that's what I gravitated towards, and that's the story that I want to tell through my work and through my designs. And I hope that no matter, how unrelatable people feel like their story is, that they have the courage to tell it. I feel like I'm inspired and just personal influence every single day. Like, I'm continuing to be inspired. I'm inspired today by everybody here, just from everyone's personal style on a casual day. Those are the things that most inspire me, like on a daily basis. My greatest accomplishment to date is my 2 kids, and I hope to inspire them to strive for the moon, and to enforce into them that anything is possible. I think they definitely connect me with other people. I'm so touched by all the messages that I get just from people on Instagram that, are saying thank you for doing this, thank you for, making these beautiful designs for the culture, and just connecting with everyday people is probably my favorite thing. I feel like every woman should have a pair of sneakers and a pair of heels. And I don't believe in, being an only heels type of woman or only sneakers type of woman. I feel like that comes from how you feel each day, and kind of listening to yourself and what type of mood you're in and what you feel like doing that day, and kind of having fun with your wardrobe every day and not being stuck to one thing. My beauty skin must-haves and secrets, I would say to oil down your face every night before you go to bed. That's probably my biggest beauty secret. And drink water, moisturize, sunscreen. As far as makeup, I love a good eyebrow. I feel some lip liner. I feel like those are my go-tos. The perfect self-care day would start off on vacation, even if it was a staycation, and going to the spa, getting a massage, getting a facial, getting my nails done, going to the movies to see a rom-com that my husband doesn't want to see, or meeting with a friend for lunch. That would be the perfect day. That is so easy to stay grounded, because when I come home, I'm just mommy. So, I take off my uniform and I have t-shirts and a jean, and my family grounds me. Okay, I just dropped my Spring Summer 23 collection for Indigo Earth, my clothing line today, 2/2/23. I'm super excited because it's the first time I'm stepping out of accessories it's been a while, and doing ready to wear. I just applied for the LVMH grant. Yeah, which is really exciting to me, because if I get in those doors, then it's gonna catapult my business to a next level, a global level that I feel like it should be on. And I'm just trying to tell my story as a Black woman and promote everything I love about being a Black woman, that might be seen as ghetto, like the bamboo earrings, like the big gold jewelry. But I think it's just so gorgeous, and I'm passionate about pushing that and making the whole world see how beautiful it is. How do I celebrate Black History Month? My son, he doesn't want to because it's too much work, but I'm making him do an African American B, where you basically have to know facts about African American history. So I feel like that's a great way of celebrating, is passing down that information to the next generation. And what else do? We always go to the Black History Parade. My sister runs Miss Black Pasadena, which is a nonprofit mentorship program. And so they're featured in our Black History Parade in Pasadena each year. So I'm gonna be right there rooting her on and rooting everybody on. Yeah, and cooking soul food. Yeah, I celebrate it every day. It's not Black History Month, it's Black History Year. It's Black History every day. Usually buy something. Other than self-care, I love treating myself, which I feel like is super important to do. And treating yourself could mean, a brand new outfit, some shoes, or it could just be getting the iced tea, stopping in, making time for yourself, even if you're in a hurry, taking time, even if it's 5 minutes, to just get whatever you feel like in the moment.